Now, as CBI has taken over the investigation, the latest that we are getting is Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the ex-principal of RG Kar Hospital, will be grilled for the third consecutive day today. As per sources, Sandeep Ghosh is being questioned primarily after victims' parents alleged that there was an attempt to cover up the death as suicide. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, getting us all the updates on this particular aspect. Sabyasachi, now for 2 days in a row, Sandeep Ghosh was questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation. What more details can you share with our viewers about the line of questioning?
Well, absolutely. See, Sandeep Ghosh has been questioning by the CBI for 2 consecutive days for almost 12 hours every single day. Now, the line of questioning is based on the allegation that has been made by the victim's family members. Now, the victim family members have said that there is a serious concern surrounding the department. They have in fact raised that how did a civic volunteer like the accused had the access to the 4th floor of the hospital. Now, without anybody seeing him or without anybody's notice, how did the accused know that the victim is alone in the seminar hall in the 4th floor? Now, the CBI also asking Dr. Sandeep Ghosh regarding what time did he got to know about the incident, whether it is the assistant superintendent who informed the parents that it is a suicide, which the parents time and again have been retaliating that assistant superintendent from RG Kar Hospital have called them and said that it was a suicide. Now, this particular angle is also being questioned by the CBI to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and the CBI is also questioning what action did Dr. Sandeep Ghosh take after that, and also they have been questioning regarding after they got to know about the incident, why there was a delay in informing the police about this matter. So all these lines of questioning the CBI is currently doing to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and also the CBI has recorded his statement and they would be verifying his statement after that. Now the CBI in fact have recorded the statement of the head of the chest department where the victim was working, and also they have recorded the statement of the doctors who were on duty at that particular day along with the staff members, and the CBI in fact went to the family members and have recorded their statement as well. So at this particular point, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh's role becomes extremely crucial because from the Trinamool Congress side as well, certain leaders of the Trinamool Congress in fact have raised the question that the CBI need to properly interrogate Dr. Sandeep Ghosh in this matter regarding why there were so many lapses. In fact, they have also questioned why it was required for the PWD to demolish the particular area where the crime scene is. So all these questions are being asked to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. Meanwhile, Sandeep Ghosh had reached CBI headquarters here in Kolkata at the CGO complex, and he will be questioned again by the CBI today.
Right, so it is going to be the 3rd day of questioning as far as Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is concerned. That is an important update that you are bringing to us, because his role as the principal then of the medical college becomes very, very crucial. Now, this is an important update, viewers, that Sabyasachi is bringing to us. 3rd day of questioning, and he has now reached Sabyasachi. You are telling us he has already reached the CBI office for 3rd day. Do we know whether he is cooperating as well with the investigative agency?
Well, absolutely. The day when the former principal of RG Kar Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, was summoned by the CBI, he did not went to the CBI headquarters, after which the CBI picked him for questioning. Now the CBI sources tell us they have picked him up because of security concerns. In fact, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh had filed an affidavit at the Calcutta High Court asking for Kolkata police personnel for security reasons. Now the CBI says that he has been cooperating in the investigation. The CBI has been asking him various sort of questions, and also because the parents have been alleging that the victim time and again have been stating that she was not happy with how things were functioning at the RG Kar hospital. In fact, the parents told Times Now that the victim, whenever she came back home, she seemed quite troubled. So all these line of questioning are being put across to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. Now, as far as the CBI is concerned, the CBI sources tell us that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is cooperating, but it would be extremely important for the CBI later to verify the statement that he has been giving to the CBI, and all these allegations that has been put across to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. The CBI sources tell us that he has denied all these charges that has been leveled against him by the victim's parents.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you for that update. We'll, of course, be coming back to you for more on this. So it is another very, very important day because Sandeep Ghosh will be grilled by the CBI officials who are investigating this matter, this rape and murder of a junior doctor in RG Kar Medical College.